Okay, let's talk about different locations and options for daycare for your twins. My name is Joe Rawlinson, the founder of dadsguidetotwins.com. I'm here to help you survive and thrive as a father of twins. First is a traditional daycare center. You probably drive by many of these on your way to work or on your way to the grocery store every single day. These usually have a pretty high ratio between caregiver and the child. So think of like what you would experience in a school classroom. You're going to have multiple children per one adult. So they may not get the individual attention that maybe you want for your twins. Some daycare facilities also offer discounts for siblings. They may not have a twin discount, but because you have two siblings going in, they may offer you a slight discount on the second child. Don't expect too much there. Another option is to consider a local church or faith-based daycare facility. Oftentimes these are going to be kind of a similar setup to a traditional daycare facility, but the costs may be significantly less because these are often non-profit institutions, and so they're out to serve the community and serve you as a family. And you may be able to get a better rate at one of these non-profit faith-based daycare facilities. Another option is family-based daycare. There may be a family in your neighborhood or a family from church where the mom or the dad or the couple are taking care of kids during the day in their home. So this family-based daycare is an option. The best way to find these is going to be through a referral from a friend, from someone at work or someone at church or your multiples group that may know someone who's having 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 kids at their home during the day. Many new parents may also consider an au pair as a caregiver for your twins. If you're not familiar with what an au pair is, it's typically a foreign individual, usually a young female, let's think college age, young lady who comes and lives with you in your house, and she takes care of your twins and your children during the daytime. It's not a full-time care arrangement, so you have to make sure that she still has her time in the evenings or on weekends for herself. And so she's taking care of your family during the day when maybe you're at work or have other commitments or obligations. There's several agencies out there that can help you find an au pair and help bring them in from other countries around the world. It's probably a great experience for them to get exposure to you and your culture or where you live. And it's often a very affordable option compared to some of these other things that we've talked about. Now, don't expect an au pair to stay with you forever. You're not going to have an au pair for years and years with your twins. Usually they're with you for maybe 6 months, a year, or longer, based on the contract that you stipulate with them in the beginning of the arrangement. Another great option for your twins is to find a nanny for your twins. Now, a nanny is great because the nanny will come to your house and take care of your twins in your home, in the environment that your twins are most comfortable in, so they can sleep in their cribs, they can play in their rooms, they have access to everything that they're usually able to access from you in the home environment because it's in your house. So the nanny is a great advantage because he or she comes to your house and takes care of your twins right there. Nannies are typically paid on an hourly basis, so think about it as daytime care, and you're going to stipulate the arrangement of what days they're working, what days they're not, vacation time, things like that, and the hours that they would be taking care of your twins. The advantage of this over some of the other options we've talked about is that it's dedicated care, 1-on-2, or if you have other children, specifically just to your children care, and the caregiver is not distracted by other children or other obligations. There is something called a night nanny as well. So in those early months with your twins, when you're really struggling to get sleep and to feed the twins and to take care of them during the night, you can hire a night nanny who will come and do those nighttime tasks for you or with you, which is a huge benefit. So if you want a daytime nanny, well, maybe you go back to work, or a nighttime nanny to help you in those first couple months with twins, a nanny is a good option. If you want to share with us what has worked for you as far as daycare, go ahead and leave a comment below on this video so others can learn from your experience. If you'd like additional tips and tricks on preparing for, having, and raising your twins, go ahead and check out some of these other videos and subscribe to the channel so you get the latest videos to help you survive and thrive as a parent of twins. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.